Hi, Aiden. Are you playing with my juice? No, that's big kid juice. That's not for little people. Where's your juice? Where's your juice, Aiden? Where's your juice? That you were trying to force feed me. Yeah? Do you want to come sit with me again? No. What are you doing? Hi, mister. Juice. What's what? It's diaper wipes. Oh no, that's doggy toenail clippers. For Tilly's toenails. Yeah, for Tilly, because her toenails get really long. Do you want to read the book? Well, bring it to me. It's the Shapes book. Shapes. Do you want to read? Oh, you want to read this book? You want to read the picture book? Yeah, bring it to me. Let's read it. Let's read it, Aiden. There you go. All right. Come sit. Here, let's turn it. Start it the right way. Come here. Come on up. Come on up. Yes, I know. It's so exciting. Is this one of your favorite books? Yes. Okay. All right. Well, come sit. Come sit with me. Okay. Are you ready? Where's the violin? Banjo? Accordion? Accordion. Where's the flute? Flute. Yeah. Harmonica. Cello. Guitar. Okay. Piano. Banjo. Where's the rest? You want to turn the page? Accordion. Harmonica. Mouse. There's a mouse in the audience. Where's the guitar? Guitar. You love that one. I know, it's so fun. So fun. Okay, next page. Next page. Ooh, where's rocks and a robot and airplanes. What does the train say? What does the train say? Hi, Tilly. We've lost you to Tilly. Okay, bye-bye.